beyonders who anchor themselves and who live above the line tend to show joy and happiness. And often then the question is asked, how is it possible that people around you seem to be unhappy, seem to be depressed, but you stay happy, you seem, joyful? There are many ways that you can increase your level of happiness. The first thing is to understand that the world outside of you does not determine your happiness. You find two categories of people here: those who blame the world for their unhappiness and those who never blame. And I think that to me is also the essence of freedom and liberation. Those who blame and those who don't blame. Those who don't blame understand that you create your own happiness. You don't need other people to create it for you. And one of the lessons that I've also learned here is that if you can make people around you happy, and this week we'll focus on that. We'll show you many, many little ways that you can make the lives of people that are around you, your friends, your family, you start making them happy. With little gestures you make them smile, that will also increase your own happiness. It is interesting so that it's by doing it to others that in a sense you start receiving it.